Celebrating its 35th anniversary, the Nike Air Max 95 has seen a packed year of launches, spanning both collaborative and inline styles. Recent releases like the Racing Pack and HBCU Pack highlighted its momentum, but Nike continues to push forward with more holiday plans. Among them is the Air Max 95 Celestine Blue, a women's exclusive edition that opts for subtle elegance over flashy themes. This design keeps Sergio Lozano's iconic silhouette but introduces ocean-inspired suede stripes, complemented by a pale blue swoosh nestled on the sides. Its sole brings a soft grape aesthetic, blending an aqua-tinted air bubble with a pale purple outsole. The overall result is a clean, versatile look that stands out for its balance of delicacy and freshness. Arriving this holiday season, the Nike Air Max 95 Celestine Blue will retail at $190, adding to an already vibrant anniversary lineup.